This falls under you don't realize you need it until you have one. A range top cover on an island. Interested? I'll show you how. We have this great range top and we love it a lot. The only problem is that it takes up a lot of the island. When you want to put things on it, just doesn't work. For our old range top, we had this aluminum cover. The great thing was it gave us a surface to put everything on and utilize that space when we weren't cooking. The problem now is that the new range, it won't fit this $100 aluminum cover. So I came up with a better solution. These butcher boards cost about $10, $15 a piece. It's bamboo. You can seal it. And the great thing about it, say you just got done boiling a bunch of eggs and the pot's hot, you can still use 2/3 of the cover for everything else when this is warm, and when it cools down you can just put the other cover on. Don't ever boil something or use one of the ranges with the rest of the covers on. This is only for when the covers are cool to the touch to give you more space to do your thing. The range top is a 20-inch by 3 feet. Now a 20-inch by 3 feet of anything, wood, metal, plastic even, is going to cost you a lot of money. But I came up with these carving boards, found this in a local store, and I bought 3 of these. Took one of these boards and I cut it with a circular saw. Split the board in half. Sanded and finished the edges. Fits right down in there. You could do it in a big long board, but it's going to be heavy and you're not going to have the advantage of taking one off when you got something that's cooling down that's too hot to put anywhere else. If you have 2 things, you just put the end piece on there. For about $30 to $50, depending on where you can get your boards, you can solve this problem, which was a couple $100 before when they're not using the range. This protects it, and it also gives you an extended island to put all sorts of party things, tub of beer, whatever it is, kids home from school and you're working with snacks. You got that whole area for when the range is off. And when you want to get the range on, you just pull all these things off. And there you go, your regular range. This was a lot of fun, it was easy, and once we had it, it's like a Post-it. You just never realized how much you needed something like this. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated.